Hey folks, so we're heading to the Big Apple for a quick event, and leaving the wifey. For every now and then I get the opportunity to go and perform. As you guys know, I'm involved in the church. I'm a stand-up comedian, a motivational speaker, and a whole bunch of stuff. I'm Jamaican, so that covers everything. So this weekend I'll be in New York City. I'll try my best to vlog as much as I can. Don't know what's gonna happen, don't know what to expect, but I'll do my best to take you guys on the journey with me as we go out and about. Remember, big up on yourself. On the way to the airport, cha-ching ching.
Hopefully you want me to hold to speak.
Wow, no, I'm not going to do good. Alright, so I wrote to say, out and about. Always ask me if I'm willing to assist in the case of an emergency. Assist myself. I joke, but me help still. Try to do a thing. Won't make it look bad. Yeah? Just in the case of an emergency, we make sure we want to come out before me. Something like so. Maybe. So our flight was bumpy. We're here in New York right now, and it's pretty much overcast. It's about 67 degrees, and we're just trying to get the luggage for the rest of the guys, trying to get their luggage, and then we'll be out. Our ride is here, so we're good to go. Alright, so keep you posted on what's going on. Yep, so I'm in room 208, and before I do anything else, let me just leave my bag there, show you guys the room. This is the bathroom, small, got a little pocket door, yeah, and it's a double bedroom, little TV. Always have to turn on your TV when you're going to the room, man. And Marriott. Second floor, so there's not much to see. Window them not really that clean, so, and I'm just looking at the highway. Can't complain. You know, this is what, 2 nights, if so much, yeah. So that is good. So I'm here, guys, hanging out a little bit, take a breather, and see if we can go up on the road, go eat some food. We need food in our life. All right, New York City vlogging. So it's raining now. We just come from the door. See it down there, sir. See them people here? The man says snow and rain. Them people make us go buy some expensive food. Millions of dollars, but it tastes good, yeah? I tell you, trust me. And so, we'll walk over Walgreens now. Go get some things, carry back in our room, cause you see it. Remember me tell you. This morning we eat at the Doors restaurant. So I'm just showing you. This is in Queens. We eat there last night and we're coming back to eat again today. And that beautiful young lady there. I'd see the rest of them there. Yes. And we're waiting to be served as breakfast buffet. Every minute we open the people in the door. I'm just showing you. Breakfast buffet. See? All of that at the Doors. Yeah, and the dining room is around there. See? Just showing you guys what is available here. Mac and cheese. Yeah. Dumpling. Jerk chicken and all them stuff there. Saltfish. Fried dumpling. Tons of fruit. Potato salad. Alright, see my plate here. This is the first round. So when the man there eat, he might calculate out the dumpling. And Tassan I eat foreign food. This is for Joshua. Joshua say he needs updates. So as usual, don't get much done in terms of vlogging. Always busy. You know, whenever I come on, I get on the road to do anything, I pretty much get caught up in other, just the idea of whatever is going on with the group is usually what I get caught up in. Sometimes you don't want to vlog when you're doing that. So, if you just asleep. The driver sleeping there, so. Yeah, in the coach. So, on the way to sound check now. I not really have to do sound check, but you know, just some moral support. And then later on the show, we try to vlog most of the show. It's about 55 degrees, and that's cold for me. But me sure know what I'm going later on, okay? Alright. It's 50 degrees now.
Yep.
I like the trees. I like the trees.
My shoes got holes in it.
I like the trees when the leaves become purple. I mean yellow. I mean orange.
Yellow and orange.
And orange. It is now 60 degrees. I mean 50 degrees, and it plans to get lower by tonight. Backstage, just trying to check out what's going on at the front. Yeah. here, over here. Let me hear it. No, no time. Over here, sir. All right. Stop it. Hallelujah. Glory to God. Amen. You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? You're doing good? You're feeling good? God is a good God. Yes, He is.
Giving too much trouble. Nowadays, when they give trouble, we gotta say, listen, you give too much trouble, get out of the house. Because the computer and the video games got them. My son, he came to me, he says, Dad, can you take me to the basketball court? I says, okay, son, I'll take you to the basketball court. He says, I'm meeting some friends. I said to him, okay, you make sure you get them and make sure everybody's there. He says, yes, Dad, I'm texting them now. He texting and we drive in and he texted and I get to the basketball court. He gets out of the car and he's texting and I'm there waiting and he's texting. And I said, son, isn't the kid here yet? He says, yes, he's here. I said, where? He said, right there. The two idiots then stand up and text one another.
So New York, it was great. Oh, let me tell you something. Yeah, it was good, and can't wait to get back to do more work until such time, and we'll see you guys again. You understand? Getting home and heading to church. It was awesome, and aside from all of the traveling and the back and forth, it's good to be here. So, on the way home. Yes.